to, oh, let me turn this off. Just so I could do like a test run and see if I knew what I was doing. I was able to take it apart and I put it all the way back together. But now, where I once had a computer that powered on, I do not have a computer that powers on now. When I go to power it on, it does not power on at all. So I have to go back and take it all apart and do some troubleshooting. So that is where we're at. Right. Right now I'm going to take everything, I'm going to take it down all the way to the motherboard. And then just plug in the power supply and see if it powers up then. There's one hard drive. So I figured I would record this, and hopefully this counts as taking the computer apart, because I did not record it the first time because it was just like a test run. See if I could do it. There is a second hard drive in here that you have to remove the power supply first in order to get it out, which is a pain in the behind. Because the cables for the power supply are not long enough. To move it out of the way sufficiently. So I have to hold it with one hand and try and get everything out with the other. So I'm going to need my second set of hands to help me out because I can't hold the power supply and take that top off. And I can see over here. Told her I wouldn't need her, but I don't need her.
thought you didn't need me.
I lied.
What happened to your headlamp?
I turned it off. Why don't you move out of the way of the camera? Come over here and hold this, but don't block the camera. Sorry, my helper. This is not fun to get out. You definitely learned you can't have nails and do this. One.
On. I said on.
It's coming. Slowly but surely. There it goes.
Oh, duh. On, duh. On, cat, eat, see, sit, eat. No, eat. On, food, wait. Apple, cats. Sit, he said. These up, then.
That's annoying. And fall down again.
Alright.
To my DVD drives. Let's take that back in. Just don't remember how I got them out the first time.
It keeps falling out.
This got me last time, so I'm a little iffy about getting it. There's my DVD and my optical drive. You say not to remove the USB drive. There's the USB drive. There's the USB drive. So I'm not removing that. I am going to remove one, two, for the next one. Oh, little screw. Two screws for this one. And I'll just put that together. Uh-oh. And that one will come out. Come on. There it goes. Such a bad headache right now. Okay. And then take out the memory. And there's two. Like that. In. All cables from the motherboard if I can. So right now I'm trying to remove this black cable here. Well, gray cable, black connector. But seriously not wanting. There we go. That is disconnected. Alright. And I have this cable here. That does not want to come out. So the battery pins. This cable is connected, or disconnected. Alright. Now it's time to take off the motherboard and reapply the motherboard. That won't stay on my way. And we will be putting my motherboard screws in here. Get it out of the way. Screw. Now this one requires skinnier screwdriver.
to the RAM. This is a plain operation. Okay. I'm taking the motherboard off again because I did not videotape it last time. So you get to see it on videotape. I know I don't have to do this to troubleshoot, but I'm doing it because it's part of the project, part of the lab. Oh, I hope I can get this to work. Consider failing if I don't, right? Alright, let me make sure. Oh, and for the motherboard. Oh. It's so tight. Okay. And oh, the motherboard. Voila. I think I have figured out why it was not coming in. Put it back together. Put this here because it's nice and soft. Once I took the motherboard off again, I realized that there is this cord here that was underneath the motherboard and it was not supposed to be there. So I could not plug it in, therefore the power would not come on. So hopefully when I put it back together, that will not be the case and it will power on because now I know that's got to be out of the way. Fun. Okay. Motherboard going back in. If I can bring it. I don't want to hurt it. No, can't go in that way. Okay, there we go. Alright. I feel confident now that this will all work out. Alright, screws back in. to plug in. Now, take the chance. Screw in. Alright. Now we're good. Little headlamps are fantastic, by the way. Okay, roads are back on. Now, I'm sure I look wonderful right now. Alright. Now I have to put the DVD drive on. Remember, do the mailing first. Well, I think I'm gonna use this over here so you can see what I'm doing. How am I gonna do this?